So we rented this room for the night because it's 2 hours out from Reykjavik, near where we got to be. Tuesday we're going to be in one place, it's 2 hours away, and then Wednesday we're going to be in another place 2 hours away. So this place is near both of them. Paradise Cave Hostel. But Iceland, the place is ridiculous. The landscapes are absolutely ridiculous. Just this nice little hostel here. No place to sleep. Nice little room. Take you inside later. Double click the button on the drone and then double click the button on that. And then you turn around and there's this landscape behind you. This insane waterfall. And escapes coming up there. Landscapes. How cool is that? And all of this is up above. There's more mountainous area, volcanic area, in which there's glaciers. And of course it's summertime, so the glaciers are melting, and as they melt, they create rivers which flow downhill. And here we are downhill. But these things are all over the place driving down the road. You can see, I don't know if you can make it out. There's a river coming down the mountain over there, but absolutely ridiculous. And of course you can't see it from here, but the bay side or water side is over there. So just some of the landscapes you see here driving in Iceland. Here is the entrance to the hostel. Let's take it. Shoes off. There's a welcome cake, coffee and toasters, drinks for sale. Cool lights on the wall. The restroom and showers. And here's our room number 6. All we need, 2 single beds. What more could you ask for?
One less fly in the room?
Yeah, there's one fly.
It's right there on the wall.
Mincing about. Trying to get rid of him. Let's work on it. Dawn breaks on our Icelandic adventure, and before stepping into the shimmering silence of an ice cave, we savor a pause at Faxi Bakery, where warmth, flavor, and landscape meet. Beautiful glaciers up there.
I think that's just snow.
Well, snow, glacier, whatever they call it.
They're two very different. Snow there?
Faxi Bakery is a hidden gem, warm, inviting, and filled with fresh baked Icelandic treats, all enjoyed against the backdrop of breathtaking scenery and landscapes that make the experience unforgettable. Wow, such good food. Walker?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
The bakery.
You want me to go up there so you can take a picture?
You get up top there.